the gauge is full tank, so we replace the fuel gauge in a tank because the sensor is factory defect. Okay, hugot. Okay, yeah, okay, okay. Because the sensor is not function, that's why the gauge is always full tank, because this is the factory defect, like that. Go. Okay, try. The fuel gauge tank is already installed, so we'll see the panel gauge. Try to on. Now it's okay, it's empty already.